Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will discuss a simple technique to get the total. We have the data in the example 1 and we have the data in the example 2, and we simply need to find out the total. So the first way is we can use the sum formula, and sum formula is easy, like we need to select the whole range and equals to assume sum bracket open and it says numbers, so we select the whole column and bracket close and enter. This is how we will get the total. Now suppose if we need to find the total of another column, we will use the same formula to select the whole column, close the bracket and enter. But if we have the multiple totals which we need to find out, so sum will not work in an efficient way. So what we do, we will just select the first column and press Ctrl and select the all columns which we need to find, or which we need to calculate the total. Now simply what we have to do, we have to just write here alter plus equals to, and you can see here we will get the total in a very short way. Now similarly we will use this technique in the example 2, like we have the data which we need to find out the total, and we have the sales in the amount, so we need to find the total. So again, control and select all the columns in which we need to find out the total. After that we only need to press alter plus equals to, and you can see here we will get the total. This is how you can use the simple technique to get total.